In this video, I explained the working principle of gas turbine power plant by using this animation, so you will understand it easily. So in a gas turbine, first air is obtained from the atmosphere and compressed in air compressor as shown in the figure. Means first component in the gas turbine is the compressor, and in this compressor we supplied this atmospheric air, and here the filter is also put to remove the dust and various impurities from the air. And in this compressor the pressure of this air is increased. After increasing this pressure of air, this air is supplied into a combustion chamber. Means this high pressure air is then passed into a combustion chamber. Means second component is the combustion chamber, and in the combustion chamber what happen? In a combustion chamber the air is heated due to combustion of fuel. Means in a combustion chamber some fuel is burned, means combustion of the fuel is going on, and we know that when the combustion of fuel is carried out, at that time they release the heat energy, and this heat energy is supplied to the air, or air is mixed with this combustion product, and then they supplied to this turbine. So this compressed air coming out from the compressor is here entering the combustion chamber. So from the name we can understand here the combustion of fuel is going on. Means one input in the combustion chamber is the air, and second input in the combustion chamber is the fuel in. Okay, and then this combustion product or only air is supplied to this third component, that is the turbine. Means the product of combustion means hot gases of high pressure and temperature passes through the passage formed by the stationary and rotating blade of gas turbine. So these hot gases are supplied in this gas turbine, and in the gas turbine there is a number of blades are there. One blades are stationary, then after rotating blades. Okay, means this heat energy of the gas is converted into this mechanical energy, and some of this mechanical energy is supplied to run this compressor, and some of this mechanical energy is supplied into the generator, and generator is produce this electricity. Then after these remaining gases are supplied to this atmosphere. So a jet of hot gases is made to flow over the ring of blade, imparting rotary motion to the shaft of the turbines. Means this jet of hot gases is impact on the blades, and the blade is start to rotate, and these blade are installed on the shaft. So shaft is also start to rotate, and then after this exhaust gas is supplied to this atmosphere, and when this shaft is rotated, it's called as the mechanical energy is produced. Okay, so large part of the power developed by the turbine rotor is consumed for driving a compressor which supply air under a pressure to the combustion chamber. Means this gas turbine is produce mechanical energy. This mechanical energy is supplied to this compressor. So in the last video of the introduction of the gas power plant, I show you that compressors and the turbine are installed on the single shaft. Okay, so some work produced by the gas turbine is used to run the compressors, while remaining power is utilized for doing the external work. Means some mechanical power is supplied to these generators, and in the generator this mechanical energy, okay, here you see this is the shaft of the turbine. This shaft of the turbine is connected with the generator. So when the shaft is rotated, generator is also rotated, and generator is produce this electricity, and then this electricity is supplied to this grid or wherever it is to be required. Okay, so this is the basic working principles of the gas turbine power plant. So you need to explain about compressor, combustion chambers, gas turbine, and the generators. So thank you for watching this video. If you learn something, then like the video and subscribe my channel for watching the more video related to power plant engineering and other subject of this mechanical engineering. For power plant engineering, various link is provided in descriptions as well as in a card. For other subject, I request to visit the playlist.